First things first, let's get this thing cleaned up. My goodness gracious. You should expect to see quite a bit of sludge on this. All the little metal shavings from when your gears, here, I'll get even a little closer for you, from when your gears are just kind of working and operating, the little metal shavings come off, and this is a magnet and it all sticks to here. So make sure to clean that off really well. Tell there's a lot of goop on this one, so yeah, look at all that. Wow. I'll get a new crush washer and put that on. All right, well, before you start this job, you got to buy something like this. It's a must for the job. I got it at AutoZone. It was $12.99 before tax, so it's pretty cheap. And to be honest with you, when I finish the job, I just throw this away because I don't know how to get all of the gear oil out of there, and I don't want to accidentally mix it into another job that I'm doing. It seems like a little bit of a waste, so if anybody has a good idea on how to reuse these without them getting all nasty in between uses, let me know. I'd be totally open to that. Anyway, grab yourself one of these so you can fill up the rear transfer case. I've been told it's very important on this job to use only genuine Honda fluids. So I went to the dealer and I picked this up. This is the correct one for my model. So the way I'm gonna do this is just I'll be filling it in until fluid starts to drip out of here. Okay, you can already see the fluid going up in there. Oh, that's great. Oh, there we go. Just starting to drip. Okay, that tells me I have this filled to the appropriate level. This in here. Okay, let's start her up. And we'll reset the maintenance minder info. So hit home, go to settings, go to vehicle, arrow down, maintenance info on the bottom. Now I just did the all-wheel drive oil, so that's number 6, so I'll select reset items, come here, all-wheel drive oil, reset. Okay, so that's it. Now I come here, back to the home, and now if I come and look here, it says my oil, it always has A, so my oil life is 100%, I just changed the oil. And now the only thing left, really the only item left is 7, and that is bleeding my brake lines and redoing my brake fluid, which I will do next weekend. So there you go.